I like Jack's Magic Compost because it does everything I want it to do. It does what it says on the tin. It's rich in peat, it's excellent stuff in the ground and in pots. It's fabulous. We've used it for years and we've had fantastic results from it. Really pleased with it.
I use Jack's Magic's compost for borders, tubs. Even last year I even used it for growing tomatoes and got really good results.
I use Jack's Magic for most things. Use it in the garden, use it in hanging baskets. There's quite a lot of things you can use it for.
Jack's Magic Compost is a good all-round one. It does veg, it also does flowers, it does tubs, it does baskets.
We've got some planting areas in the polytunnel, and I find it's really useful to G up the soil and to give the plants a bit of pizzazz.
I use Jack's Magic for growing my tomato plants, and I've been using it for years now. I've tried several other sorts of compost and I found out it's one of the good ones.
I like the size of the Jack's Magic bags. It's a lot bigger than the rest of the competitors. You get a lot more in it than the rest.
It looks bright and makes you think of the sky and getting outside and planting, because this is the time of the year I'm keen to start my seeds growing.
The feel of Jack's Magic because it feels more dense, more moist, different to other composts.
Jack's Magic is brilliant. It's the only one I've ever had satisfaction with. So I find that it grows things better than others.